nervous. I'm nervous.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, MM435, Margie, would you please introduce about yourself?
Okay. I'm Margie Likay Hakubi. I lived in Granada subdivision, Cebu City. I'm 40 years old, single. I have two daughters, ages 7 and 8 years old. I graduated in Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in General Education. I have two brothers and four sisters.
Mm-hmm.
My father's work is before it's a construction worker, and my mother is a housewife only.
Okay. Okay, can you tell me about your DH experience?
My DH experience on Hong Kong, in Saudi Arabia. My my daily duties, when the kids wake up, I take him in his room and talk him in the shower and prepare him for breakfast and send him in school. After after I send him in school, we go back in the house and I clean in his room, in his bathroom. I wash his clothes and I help also cleaning for my coworkers. And after when his when his class finished, I take him back in school and we go home. And then when we go home, the kids go directly to his parents. So it's my free time also when the kids is in his parents.
Mm.
Then after 2 hours, the parents tell me that we go outside with his friends. So I go with the child to his friends outside.
Mm-hmm.
We go back home night. Then when we go back home at night, I prepare him for sleep.
Okay. So, how many people you serve in the house?
The kids only, mom, is my priority.
Okay, so there's a parents and also how many kids they have?
So
And you need to take care one kid only.
yeah.
So how many helpers they have in total?
3 in the house. 3.
Okay, so you said two nannies and one cook.
2 nannies and 1 cook, yes.
So you don't need to cook at all, right?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how many so why you only stay there for 2 years?
I stayed there in 2 years because my first is I the kids.
No. I
I
mean,
cannot
what? Sorry. Go ahead.
the-
Go ahead.
because the elder brother only listened to his nanny.
Mm.
He did not listen to me, and even his parents, he spit, he kick. I can't I can't discipline because he only listen his nanny,
Mm.
and I'm afraid.
But
I
you
can handle my yeah.
you mainly need to take care the young one only, right?
But yeah, but the elder nanny go home already, mom.
Ah, so
After after she finished his contract also,
uh-huh.
he did not come back also.
Oh.
So after the nanny go home in the Philippines, I take her the two kids.
Mm.
For how many months?
Uh-huh. And they did not hire a replacement?
Yeah, not yet hard because
Mm.
they are expecting to the nannies to come back again.
Oh, okay. So because you cannot it's too much work for you to handle two kids.
No.
So you go home. Okay. Okay, so you went home in February of last year. So what did
Yes,
you
ma'am.
do in the past 1 year in Philippines?
I go home here last February 5, and I hired here February 23 in my housekeeping also until January 15
Well,
this year.
you stay in or stay out?
Stay out
Stay out. Okay. All right. So, why you want to come to Hong Kong now to work?
because I want to build a house for my kids, mom. And my kids is fast growing. They need
Mm.
more money, expenses.
Okay. So, because you cannot earn much in Philippines, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, how long you plan to work in Hong Kong?
I plan as I could how many years. I want to stay longer.
Mm. Okay. So, can you take care newborn baby?
Newborn baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I have a chance, mom. Yeah, I'm
Mm.
willing.
So, you are the one to take care of your own daughter, say, after you give birth, right?
Yes. Yes.
So,
Yes.
okay. So you should have no problem taking care of a newborn.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, mom.
So how do you know if the baby is sick, whether sick or not?
Ah, I make him temperature if is the temperature is high or low, 37 up or 37 down.
Mm,
If 37 up is have fever, down no fever.
mm. Then if you found the baby has fever, what will you do?
Uh, take medicine. I asked the mother, let us drink the medicine. Let him drink medicine. It's high fever, or put him. If not very high, put warm water in his. Wipe all his body to lower the
Mm,
fever.
okay. All right. So if you take care of young kids, what can you teach them?
Yeah, I can teach them also, ma'am, as what I've learned in my college.
Like what?
No,
Maybe
like
mm,
the good manners, the how the like this is you do this the right way, uh the proper way how to like interact, like how to the good way how to proper eating, like uh how to take care of the things like that.
mm,
Like if you go to school, how to take care of your things in school, your clothes, how to take care of your clothes,
mm.
so you make tidy
Okay.
like that.
Okay. So I noticed you study elementary education.
Yeah.
You finish contract. You finish. I mean, you graduate,
Yes, mom.
but you didn't get a job in teaching.
Yeah, because I'm not I take board, but I did not pass.
In the past. Okay. Okay. Since in the job in Saudi, you don't need to cook much. So do you know how to
Yeah.
cook?
Yeah, here in the Philippines, I cook for my kids.
Mm,
I love also cooking. Like I cook my dishes, sinigang for my kids,
mm-hmm.
pasta,
Mm,
chicken adobo, pork adobo, like that.
mm. So you know how to do. Have you ever tried to cook Chinese food?
Not yet, but I'm willing to learn also, ma'am, to cook Chinese.
Okay. Um, if you need to give a rating to yourself, from the scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate yourself in cooking?
Uh, 7.
7 only, ah. So so you need to you still need to you have some improvement, ah. Need to room for improvement. How about cleaning? Do you clean well?
Cleaning?
Mm.
Cleaning, ma'am? Again, yes. I can clean also, ma'am. My work here is housekeeping. It's
Mm.
cleaning, purely cleaning.
Mm. So what rating you give yourself about cleaning?
8.
Not 10?
10 is perfect. I might.
Are you good in organizing?
Seven. I
7.
can rate
Oh,
myself 7.
not that good. Oh, 7 only. So your employer in Saudi uh have a high demand on these fields?
Not so, mom.
Mm. Only they only care about their kids, right?
No.
Only want you to focus on the kid.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. You know, in Hong Kong, to work in Hong Kong, if you take care of young kids, the schedule is very busy. You know, because they have many after school activities. And as a nanny in Hong Kong, you don't only need to take care of the kids, you will also need to do all round household work and cooking and cleaning. You think you can
Yeah.
handle?
Yes, mom. That's my work here in the house.
Uh,
After preparing my kids in school, I do household chores.
okay. You can work under pressure.
Yeah. I can work under pressure, mom.
Uh-huh. Okay. Do you have any experience taking care of elderly?
Yeah, here the as a nanny here, when they go Canada, they go Canada. The grandparent of the kid, I take care when they go Canada.
Huh?
My employer
Grandparent?
here, my employer here in the Philippines, they go migrate in Canada.
Mm.
All family migrate in Canada. So I stay in the grandparent.
Mm.
So I take care of her.
But she's healthy or not healthy?
She's senior citizen.
Yeah, I know. Is
She's
she
healthy.
healthy?
She's healthy.
It's
Yeah,
healthy.
healthy.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Okay. So all right. Oh, by the way, do you have any tattoos?
No, I don't have
No. Okay. Good. Do you have any friends or relatives in Hong Kong? Working in Hong Kong?
friend only. I have
Oh,
one friend.
one friend. Okay. All right. How do you describe yourself? What kind of person you think you are?
Uh, I'm honest. I can work without supervision, mom. Um, I can I'm honest. I can work under pressure. Uh, Without supervision, also I can work, and I'm trustworthy.
Mm. That's all? Okay. Okay. Please pass a message. Please pass a message to the future employer.
Mm. Hi, mom. Hi, mom. I hope you heard me, mom. I'm willing to work in Hong Kong as my first experience in Hong Kong, and because I want to sustain my kids as a single parent. I want to go my kids in and a good education in good school.
OK，好，MM 435我俾個 rating 佢係 AA 加嘅。咁阿媽住咧40歲，咁佢有佢單親嘅，佢有2個女啦，分別係7歲、8歲。 咁啊，之前咧佢喺沙地阿拉伯咧做咗2年家傭，咁啊主要咧就係照顧一個歲幾嘅 BB，係啦，到3歲幾嘅走嗰陣時做咗2年，咁啊都係 mainly 都係照顧佢即係換衫啊、沖涼啊、換片啊、餵奶啊咁樣嘅，咁佢就唔需要煮食嘅嚇，咁因為佢哋另外有個 cook。咁佢就同埋佢會做，除咗照顧小朋友，仲會做一啲家務啊咁樣啦。咁有2個工人，咁大家輪流做下咁樣嘅。咁啊，因為就收尾做到差唔多完啦，咁佢另外嗰個 nanny 咧就走咗，咁佢一個咧就要照顧2個，咁佢就話大一個咧就比較曳嚇，咁佢收尾都 handle 唔到，咁所以佢做滿2年咧就翻咗去菲律賓啦。咁喺菲律賓呢1年咧，佢都係做家傭嘅嚇。咁佢就因為2個囡囡差唔多大啦，咁佢就想過嚟香港揾多啲錢啦，希望揾啲錢可以起間屋啊，同埋即係俾佢哋讀書啊咁樣啦。咁佢個人咧都幾開朗嘅笑容嘅，咁但係可能肥咗少少嚇。咁40歲啦。咁其實佢都可以湊 newborn 嘅，因為佢之前都湊自己嗰啲女嘅，咁啊小朋友都 OK 啦，長者都 OK 嘅，都可以嘅，咁佢冇紋身嘅，係啦，咁我俾個佢個 rating 係 AA 加嘅。